After the market closed, some upbeat news from Dow component Nike. The world's largest sportswear maker posted strong quarterly earnings thanks to this summer's World Cup soccer tournament in Brazil. Excluding special items, Nike earned $1.09 a share. That was 21 cents more than what Wall Street analysts were expecting. Revenues also beat estimates, about $8 billion for the quarter, thanks to a 15% jump in sales of footwear and apparel. Investors bought up Nike shares after the company said it has a strong backlog of orders. The stock jumped as much as 6% in after-hours trading. Dominic Chu joins us now with more on Nike's results. I know you've had a little bit of time now to look over the numbers. What sort of stood out most for you?
So I just jumped off the conference call. It's still ongoing right now, but here's the key takeaway. They have a lot of growth in places where they didn't have a lot of growth before. Now, we're talking about developed markets, Central and Western Europe, Eastern Europe, North America. All of those futures orders came in much better than analyst expectations. So that tells you that's an indication of future business for them. If those orders come in better than expected, that means they could expect better orders from places like North America, Central and Western Europe. Where we saw a little bit of a decline in terms of the estimates, in terms of the analyst estimates, we didn't see as much strength out of Japan, China, or the emerging markets. But what they did say was that their women's line continue to perform that much better than men's. That's where the growth is coming from. It's one of the reasons why so many of these companies, even their competitors, are making real strides in reaching out to that part of the population, because that's where the big money is right now.
And we saw within the past couple of weeks, Under Armour doing the same thing, wanting to go very aggressively into the women's market, an area I know you care about, golf.
I do, yes.
What are they doing there?
You know, well, here's the interesting part about golf. It's a formidable component within the golf world. However, it's a very small portion of Nike's overall business. So they are seeing strength. They're on the verge of a new product refresh cycle at Nike Golf. But for right now, the real strength, the one key takeaway here is the strength in women's and youth apparel. That's going to be big for them.
All right, Dom, thanks so much.